What's going on YouTube? I am Highway to Hill, and this is my bike Yamaha YZF R3. So today I'm going to be talking about this Xiaomi electric air compressor. So this has an inbuilt battery, and this is a portable air compressor, and it has a battery capacity inside of 2000 mAh. Now, what's the purpose and why did I buy this? So I tour a lot, and right now, every time I tour, I carry these things for, in case of a puncture. So this is one thing that I carry. This is a Motul tire repair. So what this does is, all you have to do is just plug this in your valve in the wheel, and this will fill like a seal. It will make a seal, and it will also inflate. It will also add some tire pressure in case of a puncture. And Motul claims that you with this full can you can do about 70-80 kilometers you can ride with this sealant. And the other thing that I use is your traditional this puncture repair kit. But the thing is with this puncture repair kit is that after you fix the puncture you will need to put air, because once you plug the nail out, then what you have to do, then you have to use these two tools, and you have to drill through the puncture and make the hole bigger, because only if you do that, then you will be able to put this plug inside. And once you do this activity, you will lose a lot of air. Almost, maybe you may lose, it will be a completely a flat tire, or you may lose, let's say, like 50% or more than 50% of the air. So that is where something like this, like a portable air compressor, can can save your day, and you can easily get out of that situation. Now, I ride solo. Most of the time I am riding solo, and sometimes I am riding at places where there is absolutely no human, I mean there is no soul in and around. There is no puncture shop, let alone any shop nearby. And if you have a puncture, then you can be in a really sticky situation. And that is why this air compressor is so important for me. I was looking at I have been looking for air compressors in the market, but those were little bigger in size, and also there was no inbuilt battery. So what you will have to do is you will have to wire it up to your bike's battery. uh, it's still okay, but I think this provides you a lot more convenience. It's pretty compact, it's not too heavy either, probably 250 grams or something, not too heavy. So it's easy to carry. I think if you are a cyclist or if you are a biker who's touring a lot, I think this can be like a life saving accessory. So now my whole the puncture repair kit is complete. Plan A, plan B, and then I have the compressor also. So this was one reason why I wanted to get this air compressor, in case of a puncture. And the other reason is that I most of the times I'm traveling to places which are like really small towns and villages. For example, recently I went to Gandikota, and I was staying in a small town, and in and around my hotel there were like 2 or 3 petrol bunks, but none of them had a functioning air compressor. Like, I would go fill petrol, and every time I need to check air, the compressor would be broken, not working, and so on. So I found this, luckily, fortunately, I had this. I found this so convenient. At the end of the day, I would just go back to my hotel and check the air pressure, make sure the pressure is okay on both the tires, and then you are ready and set to go the next day. Don't have to run around searching for a petrol bunk where you can find a working air compressor. So found this really helpful. I got this from the physical store, the Me physical store itself, and I paid 2,500 rupees. So this comes with a pouch, and this wire is really tiny. I wish they could have given like a little bit longer. It's really small charger. They've given a similar charger with the power bank also. I have a Me power bank. They have a really tiny, the length is too small. Anyway, there is this pouch. This is what the device, the compressor, looks like. They have this pouch, and inside the pouch there is another small pouch where you get these two extra valves. So this valve, and then there is this extra valve, and nice little space for these two. So the moment you plug this out, the device is on. So I'm gonna set, there are presets available for bicycle, car, and two-wheelers. So let's set this to 30. It's pretty loud, so just bear with me. So I'm gonna plug this in. Even this one could have been a little bit longer, but it's okay. I mean, this is just for emergency purposes. It's not something that you can use every day, because if you have a flat tire and you want to get to, let's say, 30-35 psi, it'll take at least 10-15 minutes. So this is only for emergency situations. I don't think you can use this on a daily basis, for your bike or for your car. So once the psi is set, all you have to do is press this middle button and this will start. So I think my tire pressure is already at 30, so that's why it's already at 30. Yeah, so I've reduced some tire pressure. Let's set this to 30 now, and kind of vibrates a lot, but that's understandable. I mean, it's pretty tiny. Not much heat. I don't think this is heating up a lot. Just little bit of heat over here, little bit, not too much. $25. 30. There you go. But it's showing 31. Okay, not bad. I think this was faster than what I expected. I thought it will take 10-15 minutes, but from a PSI of 5 to a PSI of 30. I didn't put the timer, but I can put the timer later on when I'm editing the video. But I think it took like 5 minutes. Then to shut this down, this valve is little bit warm, but otherwise over here there is slight heat, little bit of heat, not too much, but good. Now to shut this off, all you have to do is just put this back and it's off and goes back in this neat little pouch. So guys, do let me know what you think of this. Do you already have a compressor? Do you have this same compressor, the Mi compressor? Let me know what's your review and feedback. If you have something else with you that you are using, a portable compressor, let me know about that. I'm not here just to give gyan, but I would love to know from you guys as well what you guys are using. If you're using any other compressor, let me know what are the advantages, disadvantages. But I think this one is I think is a really important accessory. And if you don't have an air compressor, what do you think? Do you think you should get this? Could be, if you're touring a lot, I think this might be really helpful. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, I am Highway to Hill, and you ride safe. Ciao.